So we brought out this bell. Yeah. What do I do with it? See? Yes. Yay! Good girl. Leave it. Thank you. Good girl. Yes. That's it. Good girl. She said, cool. Gotta ring the bell. Gotta ring the bell. Gotta ring it. Yes, that's it. Close, huh? That's close. She's like, I'm starting to get this whole paw thing. What's it? What is it? Yes. Yeah. Good job. Got back up. You had it, girl. You get it? You go ring the bell? Yes. Even by touching it. We'll take that. How about you plots? Good plots. You had it, girl. Did you get a piece? Yes. There you go. Yes. That'll work. Ooh. Shredded chicken. Flies everywhere. I think. Xena. What's this? Yeah! Almost! You get it? Yes! Any engagement right now. She's like, I'm trying to figure this thing out. It's weird. Yes. Good girl. I'll take the engagement. Yes! Yeah! That's it. That's good, girl. Oh, drop it. Thank you. Good girl. Gotta ring it. What do you think? Yes! It has something to do with my paw and not my mouth. I'm trying to figure this thing out. Ready? Aha! Yes! That's it! Good girl! Nicely done! Nicely done.